Welcome to the revolution in tablet technology. The Xiaomi Pad 6 redefines versatility with its brilliant 11-inch 2.8K display, boasting a 144Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals and over 1 billion vibrant colors that immerse you in every moment. Designed with performance in mind, this powerhouse runs on the Snapdragon 870 processor, paired with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage to handle multitasking, gaming, and creative pursuits without a hitch. Brand name: Xiaomi. Model name: Xiaomi Pad 6. Memory storage capacity: 256GB. Screen size: 11 inches. Display resolution: 2880*1800 pixels. Item weight: 1.08 pounds. Wireless communication technologies: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Connectivity technologies: Bluetooth, special features stereo. Speakers. Display resolution: 2880x1800. Other display features: personal computer, human interface input. Microphone, scanner resolution, 2880 by 180 pixels. Other camera features: rear, front, form factor. Tablet no GSM only Wi-Fi. Color: gold. Battery power rating: 8840 mAh. What's in the box? Adapter, USB cable. Manufacturer: Xiaomi. Language: English. Date first. Weight: 490 grams. Aspect ratio: 16:10. About this item: Wi-Fi version, no SIM card, ORSD slot, FCC ID, 21051182G. Size: 11 inches. Display resolution: size: 27.94 centimeters, 11. Resolution: 2880*1809 pixels per inch. Refresh rate: 144Hz. Brightness: 550 nits. Type: over 1 billion colors. Supports DCI-P3. Processor: Snapdragon 874. Speakers: Dolby Atmos. Supported octa-core, 1 by 3.2 GHz. Cryo 585 and 3 by 2.42 GHz. Cryo 585 and 4 by 1.80 GHz. Cryo 585. Adreno 650. Bluetooth 5.2. Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 4, and 802.11a/b per gram. Operating system: Android 13. MIUI 14 for Pad. Rear camera: 13 megapixels, 4K, 30 fps 1080p, 30 fps 720, 30 fps. Front camera: 8 megapixels, 1080p, 30 fps 720p, 30 fps. Height: 253.95 millimeters. Width: 165.18 millimeters. Thickness: 6.51 millimeters. Weight: 490 grams. Product description: performance that keeps up with you. Xiaomi Pad 6. The Snapdragon 870 brings class-leading performance to Xiaomi Pad 6. Coupled with up to 8GB LPDDR5 RAM, manned 256GB UFS 3.1 storage, read, write, draw, work and play without any bottlenecks. Hit all your targets at work and play with an 8840 mAh battery that can last up to 2.07 days 3 and up to 26 plus days 4 on standby. With a 2.8K resolution, all your favorite sitcoms and movies are crisp and clear. The 144Hz 7-stage adaptive sync refresh rate caters the refresh rate according to the content you are watching, thus increasing your battery efficiency. Enjoy a truly immersive audio experience with quad speakers in your Xiaomi Pad 6, with channel mapping that adjusts audio output according to your screen orientation. Enhance video watching experience with Dolby Vision Atmos with reimagined depth of color and an audio experience that surrounds you. With focus frame coupled with a 4-mic array, you will always be in focus and heard. Your keys to success: Xiaomi Pad 6 keyboard has been designed keeping in mind your typing patterns on personal computers. With 1.3 millimeters of key travel, Switching from a laptop keyboard is very easy. The 64 keys allow a variety of shortcuts that are mapped as per your usage on laptops, making you feel right at home. MIUI for Pad simplify workflows with various multitasking tools that make your life easier. Control your smartphone from your Xiaomi Pad 6 by signing into your MI account and turning on Bluetooth. Easily drag and drop images from your phone to your pad. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.